Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's NatalieGisselle if you didn't know already. And for this week's video, it's going to be another Christmas DIY, except I guess I'm just gonna talk as I go. And this time my sister's not gonna be here. It was funny last video. It wasn't planned, but she was just watching me do it and like speaking like what I was doing. So I just kept it in because I thought it was really funny. And it's gonna be another Christmas DIY, except the wood is gonna be different. It's gonna be thinner and long. And basically what I saw this on Pinterest, so I thought it was a really cute idea, except the wood color was different and I don't have like wood paint or like the stain to make it darker. So I think I'm just going to leave it this color. And just I'm going to be using just my white paint, and I got this from Walmart. It was a pack, I think, of $9. And then I have this card here where I just drew a bunch of trees that I want to try, and I'm just going to pick 3 or 4 of them to paint on here. And if it doesn't look good, I'm just going to go to the back side. I'm going to outline it with a pencil first because I am not an artiste, so I mess up a bunch. So I'm gonna go with a pencil and then paint over it with a paintbrush. I hope it works out, and if it doesn't, at least I tried, because to do it yourself and not like, you know, to DIY. And if it doesn't work out, then that is okay. I'm gonna hope for the best and hope I end up successful. So what you're gonna need is pieces of wood. You can use however many you want or whatever size you want. Some paintbrushes and a pencil. Paint whatever color you'd like to use. I'm gonna be using white, and then a note card if you need help drawing and to follow along. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I think, okay, I'm gonna start with this side. Oh, and then I'm going to do one that I think is easy. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna use the paint for measurements. Okay. All right, I am nervous. Okay, we're gonna start lightly. Well, it's not even, but the first one I'm going to draw, and then I'll just put it in the, like, I'll put a picture in so you know what I'm going for. It's just gonna be a bunch of triangles stacked together. So we're gonna go all the way to the edge with the bottom one. And then we're gonna go up. Okay, I did erase a line. You can see the marks. I don't know if you can see the drawing, but first one done. My next one's just gonna be a bunch of loopy loops. So, I hope it comes out nice. I already messed up. Oh, there we go. I messed up. Maybe because I'm going backwards, my brain is not comprehending that. I don't know. So bring it up more. There we go. What? I don't know what I did, but it is not a treat. Oh man. Okay, let's use the other side. It's not as pretty, but let's try going from the top instead. So, okay, why does this looks way better? I'm just gonna keep this one and paint it. It's number 2 done. Number 3, I can't mess this one up. I don't know what I want to do. I think, okay, this because this one seems simple, but I couldn't draw it, which makes it so much worse. Okay, we're gonna go with this one. We'll start at the top. Just a simple, and then long, and the little baby one, and then that. You know what? It's a little ugly. I should have done it even. Start making it even on the 3rd one. You know, trees aren't perfect, but they weren't that messed up either. So I'm gonna go with just painting it. We're gonna, there it is. Yep. I'm just gonna start off with a little bit of paint. Okay, so I'm done with the 2 coats for now. I like how it looks. I did mess up a bunch, so I could go back and just fix it up later, like add more paint to it. But that's the first one. Now we're gonna go with this one, which is just like the swirls. Here is the first layer done on the second one. So I'm just gonna put that aside because lighting is an issue. The sun's going down. So I'm gonna start on my second one. And then when I'm all done, I'll show you guys when there's better lighting. That way, you know, for the sake of sunlight, I can finish this up and then I can show you guys when they're all done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. they didn't turn out as bad as I thought it was going to be. But what I noticed was that with the pencil, if I didn't put enough paint on it, the paint that was on the brush would smear out the pencil. So that's why there was a couple dark markings on the trees I made. But I really like how it turned out, better than I was expecting. So I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time I post.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.